see. You may have an uncle, maybe it's your mom. Watching them recover from addiction is difficult enough when the world is open. But what happens when the world closes in? They're stuck inside with their own thoughts, fighting to stay clean, fighting to stay sober. Tonight, WMAR 2 News' Eddie Kadam takes us into a place in the world that wants to help.
Amatus Recovery has 13 treatment centers, including the Foundation Center in Baltimore County. Coronavirus has changed how they operate.
The clients themselves are actually in the sober homes, and they're getting clinical services via something called telehealth, like the Zoom platform. That way they can get services from their clinicians, still get group therapy, individual sessions, meet with their ARMPs and the medical staff, but now it's through a TV screen because of social distancing and everything going on with the coronavirus.
Samantha Wright says having online conferencing is a game changer because she can still see her support system and has access to speakers from across the country.
I think I would definitely be in a darker place than I am right now if I didn't have that connection and was just totally isolated. Yeah, I feel like I've been able to focus on myself more than ever. I've had all the help I could ask for, if not more.
Carly Foster now counsels from home.
I've really had to dig into my bag of tricks to figure out, first of all, what is going to keep people's attention because I'm not actually in the room. And also, like, what are some things that are going to engage people enough that they're focused on the group instead of whatever anxiety is brewing up in them. So I'm doing a lot of education stuff right now.
Silberman says they are getting more phone calls from new clients than they ever did before.
They have perhaps lost their job, or they have a fear of losing their job. They're with their families all day. And I love my family, but I know that families can also be very stressful. And when you add finance, family stress, and then personal isolation on top of it, we're seeing more relapse. We're seeing more people get involved.
Working to help people maintain sobriety through isolation.
What are you going to do to take care of yourself through this? What kind of coping skills can you utilize? And what are you going to do differently? I think it's actually a really good opportunity to practice those things before you go back out in the real world.
In Baltimore County, Eddie Kadam, WMAR 2 News.
And listen, if you're struggling or if you just want the number just in case, we have the phone number and the website of the Recovery Center right there on our website at WMAR2news.com. Let's talk.